Start your free 7-day trial. Pick your plan and join the 200K plus investors who choose our software. Market Plus. Want the full suite of investing tools? Click here to view our advanced plans. Everything you need to start or grow your real estate investing business. 1. Property search. Instantly search for seller, buyer, and private lender leads. 2. Artificial intelligence. Build superlists of hyper-targeted leads so you're always marketing to the right people at exactly the right time. 3. Comping engine. Use 20+ filters to generate accurate and downloadable comparable reports, helping you make smarter decisions and better deals. 4. Light CRM. Your virtual filing cabinet organizes contacts, properties, and much more. 5. Dynamic list stacking. Layer multiple real estate lead types and create endless custom superlists. 6. Parcel mapping. Visually analyze high-profit real estate deals and property trends nationwide. 7. Lead downloads. Download leads to use in additional ways outside of the Leadflow platform. 8. Unlimited contacts. Add unlimited contacts to your CRM for easy access. START Bootcamp. Included with Leadflow Market and Market Plus plans. We're all familiar with the phrase, work smarter not harder. In this course, you'll learn how to leverage all the tools and features that Leadflow Market has to offer. You'll get demos, best practices, and everything you need to know to not only grow your business, but also automate many aspects of it. You'll learn how to find deals, analyzing a deal, inspecting a property, how to market effectively, the power of comps, leveraging AI, Facebook Marketing Masterclass, exclusively offered with Leadflow Market Plus plans. For a limited time, we're going to give you access to our Facebook Marketing Masterclass, $497 value, for free. This 5-module online training course shows you how to generate motivated seller and cash buyer leads using only Facebook. During a time when an online marketing strategy is becoming even more crucial, this masterclass is a must-watch. Have questions? We have answers. Need one-on-one assistance? Chat with our support team. Does this only work for experienced real estate investors? Do you offer support if I get stuck in the software? User testimonials. Rich G. Metro STL Homes, LLC. With Leadflow I have been able to waste less time on property leads that are not very profitable. No matter what my end game is: wholesaling, buying and holding, or rehabbing. Louis. Keychain Capital Investments, LLC. Using Leadflow definitely gives me an advantage as an investor and added insight into possible property leads, which allows me to be more targeted and cost-effective in my business. John G. North Star Properties. These are unique people that I've not marketed to before, and most importantly, my competition isn't marketing to them. I'm getting there first, and I'm getting there repeatedly, and I'm the only one in that space. Raymond S. Shaw Vida Homes LLC. I am very optimistic about I think it will separate the professionals from the amateurs in the long run. Quote. Vicky Z. Heritage Real Estate Solutions. Leadflow allows my business to focus our marketing toward properties that will lead to results and the purchase of homes, making the seller happy and our business profitable. Doug M. Indigo Property Ventures. The propensity to sell score helps us narrow down our search to specific criteria and remove less likely sellers, saving us time and money.